Hi, welcome to Mix Up, the Mix Up channel. Please watch and enjoy.
Grace, Spice, Hamilton. Early life and background. Grace Latoya Hamilton was born on August 6, 1982, in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Jamaica, and raised in nearby Portmore. Her childhood was shaped by both adversity and faith. Her father passed away when she was 9, and she spent part of her youth living with her grandparents in Finsbury Park, London, attending school there before returning to Jamaica. From an early age, she sang in her church choir and competed in Jamaica's Jamaica Cultural Development Commission (JCDC) festival during her time at St. Catherine High School, earning multiple medals. Although she originally intended to become a chartered accountant, Spice ultimately followed a different path. She enrolled at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts to study music and drama. Her exposure to music and performance at college helped her develop her DJing skills, and she soon began performing at local shows in her community. Rise in Dancehall. Career beginnings 1999-2007. Spice's public breakthrough came at just 18 years old. In 2000, she performed at Sting, one of Jamaica's most storied dancehall festivals, where she impressed the audience and earned multiple encores. Around this time, she was introduced by dancehall veteran Ninjaman into the circuit. While touring in the UK, she caught the attention of Baby Sham, who then introduced her to legendary producer Dave Kelly. Under Kelly's Madhouse Records, she released her first singles, including her debut track, Complain, in 2003, and later songs like Right There, with Toy, and Hype, all helping to build her reputation. She also collaborated early on with major Jamaican artists. She was featured on Jimmy Cliff's Black Magic, I Want I Do I Get, and on Beanie Man's Concept of Life Hot. In 2005, she scored her first big local hit with Fight Over Man, riding the popular 85 rhythm in dancehall. After a brief hiatus in 2007 due to becoming a mother, she returned to the scene with renewed focus. Breakthrough to international fame 2008-2015. A turning point in Spice's career came in 2008-2009 with her collaboration with Vybz Kartel on the provocative track, Romping Shop. The song, known for its explicit lyrics, sparked controversy in Jamaica. It was reportedly banned by the Jamaica Broadcasting Commission, but that only fueled its popularity. It gained traction internationally and spent 15 weeks on the Billboard Hot R&B Hip-Hop Songs chart. In July 2009, Spice signed with VP Records, a major reggae dancehall label. Over the following years, she released a string of singles, including Jim Screechy, 2010, and collaborated internationally. For instance, she worked with Missy Elliott on a remix for her single, Fun, and Maya Take Him Out. In December 2014, she released her debut EP, So Me Like It, under VP Records. The title track became one of her most notable songs, helping cement her presence in dancehall. Growth, independence and major projects 2016-present. Mixtape. Captured. In 2018, Spice made a bold move. She released her first mixtape, Captured, independently through her own label, Spice Official Entertainment. The mixtape resonated deeply with fans and critics, debuting at #1 on Billboard's Reggae Albums chart. In Captured, she tackles personal themes such as colorism, black hypocrisy, her struggles with industry control, and her journey toward self-liberation. Debut studio album, 10. After years of building her brand and musical identity, Spice released her long-awaited first studio album, 10, in 2021. The album was executive produced in part by Shaggy, and it features the hit single, Go Down Day, with Sean Paul and Shaggy. This album earned her a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album at the 64th Grammy Awards, making her the first, hardcore, female dancehall artist nominated in that category. Later work. Emancipated and Mirror 25. After departing from VP Records, Spice continued on her independent path. In 2022, she released her second studio album, Emancipated, under her own label. Later that year, she dropped a deluxe version of the album. In 2024, she unveiled her third full-length project, Mirror 25, a 25-track album that reflects on her 25-year career. The album explores a wide array of genres, from hardcore dancehall to Afrobeats, soca, R&B, and even country, showcasing her versatility and artistic evolution. In lead up to the album, she released the single, 2085T, in which she adopts a persona of an older gossiping granny to narrate life's reflections. Musical style and themes. Spice is celebrated for her aggressive flow, unapologetic lyrics, and her willingness to confront taboo subjects. Her music spans not only dancehall but also reggae fusion and occasionally socio-political commentary. Songs like Think Like a Man have tackled gender dynamics, while others like Po address policing and social justice. She is also known for bold visual aesthetics, extravagant wigs, dramatic fashion, and theatrical videos that amplify her persona as a strong, independent woman. Importantly, she has used her platform to address colorism in Jamaican society. Her track, Black Hypocrisy, is a direct response to the privilege often afforded to lighter-skinned black people, and she has spoken openly about how societal expectations around skin tone have affected her. Media, public presence and impact. Spice's influence goes beyond music. Since 2018, she has been a regular cast member on VH1's Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, where her personal life, including her ambitions, family, and public persona, unfolds for a wider audience. She has been recognized with numerous honors. For example, in 2023, she was named Jamaican Artiste of the Year in the Best of Jamaica survey. In April 2023, she received an Impact Artist of the Year award, which included a certificate of recognition from U.S. Representative Yvette D. Clarke and acknowledgement from New York's city government. Entrepreneurship and philanthropy. Spice is not only a musician, she's a savvy businesswoman with a multifaceted brand. Her business ventures include Spicy Couture, a clothing boutique chain in Jamaica established around 2009. Spicy Salon, a beauty salon in Kingston. 8 Ball Lounge, a sports bar in Portmore. Faces and Laces, an online beauty store launched in 2019, initially offering wigs and later cosmetics. Grachi Noir, her own clothing beauty line designed to reflect her style and Caribbean identity. On the philanthropic front, she founded the Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation, which supports education, entrepreneurship, and empowerment for women. She has participated in back-to-school initiatives, including providing scholarships and school supplies to children. Philosophy, faith and resilience. Spice often attributes her sustained success to prayer, hard work, and resilience. She describes herself as a God-fearing woman who draws strength from her faith, especially as she's navigated adversity. Her signature phrase, "From homeless to greatness," reflects her journey from poverty in her youth to international stardom and business success. Legacy and cultural significance. Spice is widely recognized as one of the most influential female dancehall artists ever. She broke barriers in a genre historically dominated by men, and her Grammy nomination was a milestone for female dancehall performers. Her music and public persona challenge norms around gender, colorism, and sexuality, making her not just a performer but a cultural icon. Through her entrepreneurial ventures and philanthropic work, she has also modeled a powerful blueprint of self-determination and generational wealth building for women in the Caribbean and beyond. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media platforms. Like, comment and share.